So I have good news and not so good news. Buyer activity on the Eastern Shore is off 2.7% week over week, but new contracts this week rose 1%. It's Friday, June 5th, 2026. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, your go-to real estate resource for data and facts. This is the weekly Maryland Eastern Shore report. Home prices are ahead of last year by 14.3%, while active inventory is up 19.2% year over year. We have 2,365 active properties for sale. The median list price for these properties is holding firm again this week at $419,900, while the median time a home sits on the market ticked up slightly to 64 days. We have 164 units labeled as coming soon, poised to hit the market shortly. The median list price for these upcoming homes jumped to $449,500. New contracts rose 19.3% this week to 198 units. However, this list price for those that went under contract fell to $382,500 from last week's report. 163 properties sold in 21 days at 98% list to sold for a sold price of $406,000. There are 138 rental properties currently up for lease. Rent dropped slightly this week, down to a median $2,125 per month. So are you curious about what's happening in your neck of the woods? Reach out to me and let's talk. That's your weekly wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore report for Friday, June 5th, 2026. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend, and I'll see you next week. Take care.